Hi everyone, it's Nicole and I'm here to work on day 15 and 16 for my December daily. I'm doing both 2019 and 2021 at the same time. I always start off with 2021 first. I kind of go through my pictures, print out what I need, and my base is already done. So I just see what I have. I need 1 2 3/4 by 2 3/4, and I need 4 2x2s. I print those out, and then I use my tiny stickers and I just make some little titles. And that has saved me so much time. Yes, here we are in January and my December daily is not done, but I'm getting there. I think I have 10 days left and I'm doing 2 days pretty much every time I sit down, but I do it for 2 years. So I do it for 2019 and 2021. And I plan on taking tomorrow and try to do 3 or 4 sessions, if you will, because I do 2 days per session. So if I could do 6 days tomorrow, 6 days for 2019 and 2021, then I'll almost be done. My goal is hopefully by the end of this week to have my December daily done. And then on YouTube, I'll just put 2 or 3 up a week until they're all done. And then I can move on to the next project. Are you like that? Are you, you kind of have, if I have a project that I have ongoing, it's not as if I can put this aside and say, oh, I'll work on it in 2 weeks from now and actually do it. When I start a project, I have to kind of go all in and get it done. And as soon as I put it away, then it's going to stay there for months and not being touched. And case in point, the 2019, pretty much all my pages were done. All I had to do was put in the pictures and it's still not done 2 years later. So I kind of have to say, okay, I'm working on this project and I have to get it done. Normally this time of year too, I'm like, okay, I gotta, have some goals and I'm gonna do this and I'm gonna do that and all this kind of stuff. And this year I am just not motivated at all. I think I'm just gonna say, okay, I'm gonna do one thing sort of at a time. So I'm going to work on this project, and once this project is done, I'll start working on another project. I think I'm going to make a list of things that I want to do. Like I want to do all the books that I read in 2021, and I haven't even started. I haven't done 1 month. I don't know what format I'm going to do, but I think I'm going to get this done and then I'll get going on that project. And then again, I'll just work on that until it's all done. And of course, I want to work on project 100 because I got up to 50 pages done, but I didn't get it all the way done. So I got to work on that again. And then of course, just regular scrapbooking. So let me know in the comments, what are some of your projects that you're working on. So today I'm working on day 15 and day 16, and I think this is day 16. And on day 16, my daughter and I went and took my printer that I had bought for sublimation, and that has special inks, and it's so that you can do t-shirts and ornaments and all that kind of stuff. You can even do cups. There's so many things that you can do. And that day, her and I sat down, and it took us forever, believe me, to put the inks in the printer. And then we did a couple of test stuff. So we did a couple of ornaments, and I think we did a t-shirt. I had some t-shirts that came with my heat press, and we did that. And that day it was -2, and I actually had a little bit of journaling. So now we're going to jump to 2019, and I'm doing 2 days, 15 and 16. But in 2019, I don't know what happened, but sort of in the middle of the month, I wasn't taking a lot of pictures. So I don't have a lot of pictures on a lot of those days, and it's kind of working out because I'm still going to end up with a nice album with a lot of, quite a few pictures, but I hadn't done 31 empty pages, like prep pages. So it's working out perfectly because I think I'm going to have enough. I had 22 prepared, and because I have quite a few days that I'm doubling up, I'm going to have enough of those prepared pages so that I won't have to make any more. And that is music to my ears because I don't feel like making any more pages. I just want to get my pictures in, put a few little titles, and in 2019, almost every page I made a space for journaling. So I know I don't want to do that anymore. I just want to make sure that I have places for my pictures, and then I can do, some titles on each of the pictures. Another thing that December Daily has done for me though was I was getting really bad at taking pictures, like super bad. Like I would look and it'd be like weeks since I took pictures. Unless it was like an event of some kind, I wouldn't take any pictures. And because I took pictures every day in the month of December, I'm noticing that, we're only at the beginning of January, but I'm taking out my camera way more, and I kind of got into a habit. You know how they say it takes 21 days to get into to develop a new habit? Well, I feel that by doing my December Daily and taking pictures every day, I've developed the habit again of taking pictures, which is awesome because I was getting really bad at not taking pictures. And that's the whole thing with scrapbooking, is we need pictures in order to make, some pages. So this day here didn't have a lot of stuff going on, but I had ordered a chair for my son for Christmas, and even though it was like day 16th, it came in the mail. He saw it. It wasn't in another box. So that night they put that chair together, and I had ordered myself a chair for my craft room upstairs, and we put that chair together. So it's just a bunch of pictures of us, getting our chairs ready. His is a gaming chair, and mine was just a regular little chair, that like a stool chair, but it had a back on it, and I find it way more comfortable than the little stool that I had. And just a reminder that I have a coupon code right now for all of our embellishment, an extra 20% off, and so that makes it 70% off on our embellishments. And I want to thank you so much for watching. Bye.